The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Neil, what are you doing? That's the biggest spreadsheet I've ever seen.
Hi, Feifei. Yes, just you wait. I'm developing a product that will revolutionize English teaching.
Great. So why are you looking at screens of numbers?
Not numbers, data. Big data. This is what I need, and that is the expression we're talking about in the English we speak.
How do you plan to use this data?
I haven't figured it out yet, but that's not important. Everyone's talking about big data.
It is a hot topic, but big data is all about analysis. You need to know what to do with all that data.
Right?
What you're looking at is a list of football scores from every country in 1987.
Ah, yes. Not useful?
Sadly not. Let's listen to this explanation of what big data actually is.
We are surrounded by data. Every time we use social media, buy something online, or even search for information, we are creating data. Because there's so much of it, and because it comes in many forms, we call it big data.
Companies collect and analyze big data to discover hidden trends and patterns.
For example, online retailers use big data to learn what kinds of things customers like, so they can suggest new products to buy.
You're listening to the English we speak from BBC Learning English. Our expression in this program is big data. So Neil, how's your research going now?
Not well. It's hard to know where to start.
Well, you'll probably need information on things like spending patterns on language learning apps, key times users log in and how long sessions last, how demand varies by language level, data on your first language, data on which kind of content is most...
Okay, stop. I'm trying to write all this down. Feifei,
Yes?
can I hire you as a big data analyst?
Sorry, Neil, you're too late. I'm launching a product of my own. It helps predict football scores. In fact, I need a bit more data from 1987.
Ah, well, I might just be able to help you out there.
Yes, I think you were actually looking at my screen earlier.
Sorry. You know, I think I'll leave this big data stuff to the experts.
Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.